हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई होप ऑल इज़ गुड। सो जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे होंगे, यूएस मार्केट इज़ एट इट्स हाई लेवल वॉलेटिलिटी, जो कि अल्टीमेटली इंडियन मार्केट को भी हिट करता है। तो यूएस में जो लास्ट 4 ईयर्स की जो ट्रेजरी इल्ड है उसको उन्होंने ब्रेक कर दिया। इट इज़ ट्रेडिंग ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 1.73%, विच इज़ 4 ईयर्स हाई. So ultimately what is happening, foreign investors are pulling their money from Indian market and they are pushing it and pumping to their foreign markets like USA. So it's not a time to be panic, क्योंकि market में situation is not almost at the same level. So right now market is getting at its down, so it is suggested कि you should get into quality stock like Reliance, Tata, BHEL, Airtel, which is trading at its low cost. After 31st March, you will not get these stocks at the price at which it is trading right now, because these are the companies which is going to rule the market in their sector after 5 to 6 years. So today we will talk about PE ratio. PE ratio is something, price earning ratio means किसी stock की जो बाई करने की प्राइस है वो आपको कितना अर्निंग करके देती है. तो अल्टीमेटली जनरली देयर इज अ मिथ इन द मार्केट कि द स्टॉक विच इज ट्रेडिंग एट हाई पीई दैट शुड नॉट बी बाई, बट दिस इज ओनली मिथ फॉर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर एंड म्यूचुअल फंड एंड बिग ब्रोकरेज हाउसेज, व्हाट दे यूजुअली यूज टू डू, they used to calculate PE ratio which is projected, means future earning. They consider the earning of company what they earn in future, because जो अर्निंग्स पास्ट में पब्लिश हो चुके हैं उसके बेसिस पे डिसीजन क्या लेना है. जो डिसीजन लेना है इन्वेस्टमेंट का, दैट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन द फ्यूचर अर्निंग. हाउ मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी एग्रेसिव इन इट्स बिजनेस, इन इट्स डिसीजन मेकिंग. सो रिटेल ट्रेडर जनरली गेट इन टू ट्रैप आफ्टर कंसिडरिंग ओनली PE रेशियो विच इज based on past data. If you look at Reliance, industry's PE almost around 40 and Reliance PE almost around 31. So these shows Reliance is trading at its high value and its PE is very high, so we should not buy the Reliance. But this is not correct. Reliance Industries is very bullish in its business. If you talk about Jio and Reliance Retail, these two segments of Reliance are very aggressive in its market. So only considering the factor of PE ratio is not a justifiable decision. So always look the PE ratio which is based on projected earning of a particular company. So never get into trap by considering the PE ratio which is based on the past data, because this will manipulate your investment. Thank you.